Denise. What if you could wake up every morning surrounded by nature, fresh air, and breathtaking views? Today, we're touring.
Welcome to this stunning village home where peaceful countryside living meets timeless luxury. Let's take a tour and discover every beautiful corner together. The front garden is filled with colorful flowers, lush green grass, and fresh morning air create a warm and inviting first impression. As we step closer, the elegant wooden entrance and natural stone details give this home a charming and welcoming character. This spacious living room is bright, cozy, and designed for comfort with large windows that bring the beauty of nature indoors. The kitchen combines modern convenience with the rustic charm, making it the perfect place to prepare meals while enjoying peaceful countryside views. This elegant dining space is ideal for family gatherings where every meal becomes a special moment to remember. The bedroom offers a calm and relaxing atmosphere with a beautiful views of green fields that makes every morning feel refreshing. The luxurious bathroom features stylish finishes, natural light, and a peaceful design that feels like a private spa. From the balcony, you can enjoy breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside where every sunset paints the sky with beautiful colors. The backyard is surrounded by fruit trees, blooming flowers, and open green space, creating the perfect place to relax and unwind. The quiet village roads, fresh airs, and scenic landscapes make this location truly peaceful and full of natural beauty. As the sun sets, the golden light transforms this home into an even more breathtaking place, highlighting every beautiful detail. At night, warm exterior lighting and a sky full of stars create a magical atmosphere. Thanks for joining this home tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next luxury home tour.